Can an LLC name be changed? Yes, an LLC name can be changed, but it requires filing paperwork with the state where the LLC was formed. This is usually done by submitting articles of amendment, sometimes called a certificate of amendment, to the Secretary of State and paying a filing fee. Once approved, your LLC will legally operate under the new name. After the state approves the change, you'll also need to update the name on your EIN with the IRS, as well as with your business bank accounts, licenses, permits, contracts, and marketing materials. Some states may also require you to publish a notice of the name change in a local newspaper. The short answer is this: yes, you can change your LLC's name, but it must be done through official state filings and followed by updating all business records and registrations. Zen Business can help you file your LLC name change quickly and make sure all required updates are handled. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.